Hello guys, it's Carla here and I'm so excited to show you our pouch from our premium pack. Now I'm going to show you how versatile this little thing is. Alright, now let me open it up, and there are a few things inside of the pouch, but if you want to know more about this, head on over to the description box and click the link there to watch our full unboxing video. Alright, moving on from that, let me show you how this cute little thing could organize your bag. Okay, now, if you're like me, who's a girly girl who probably has like, random loose things in her bag, like a watch, lip product, sanitizer, and a necklace. I don't know why that's there, but let's organize that anyway. So this pouch, as you can see, can fit a lot of these things. And we just zip it right up and throw it in there. And there we go, an organized bag. Now, what's great about this as well, if let's say you're driving around or you're at home and you wanna run real quick to the convenience store, you don't have to bring your entire bag with you. You could just take this tiny pouch. And also what's great about it is that it's splash proof, so if it's raining or it's a little drizzly outside, you don't have to worry about the water damage that'll happen to your things. So that is a plus. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you want to get yourself a pouch, head on over to our website in the description box, and also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm Carla. Bye!